Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money on your PayPal account, okay? So by the way, if you're watching this on your phone, your tablet, your MacBook, or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, please stay in the video because I'm using a PC setup here with Windows OS running, okay? Because it's literally the same process, so please stay on the video. So anyway, how to transfer or rather withdraw money from your PayPal account? First thing, of course, log into your PayPal account. And this should be the home page of my PayPal account. This is actually a dummy account right here. And as you can see, it doesn't have any balance, right? And that being said, to check or how to withdraw is basically click on this option right here that says wallet. And then it should just display right here. The option to withdraw should be right here, just below the bank or just below the PayPal balance. So since I only have 0.00, rather I don't have any balance, it will not show up on my end because I already zeroed out this account because this is a dummy account. Anyway, the withdraw button should be on this part right here, okay? And then just simply click on that, enter the amount to withdraw, and PayPal will withdraw that amount to a specific bank. So thank you so much for watching. That's how you withdraw money on your PayPal account. Okay, so please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.